plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A is equals to 2 sec A. Yes. Then let's consider LHS here. LHS is equals to cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A. Right? Now there are two fractions, cos A upon 1 plus sin A and 1 plus sin A upon cos A. And if you observe these two fractions, then these are nothing but reciprocals of one another, right? Cos A upon 1 plus and 1 plus sin A upon cos A. Okay. So let's solve these two rational numbers or fractions. Cos A into cos A is nothing but cos square A. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A is nothing but 1 plus sin A whole square upon 1 plus sin A, first bracket, 1 plus sin A into cos A, right? Then cos square A as it is plus 1 plus sin A plus B whole square. So 1 square, matlab A square, that is 1, then 2 sin A plus sin square A. So A square plus 2AB plus B square upon next one is 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay. Now if you observe this numerator, then in numerator cos square A plus sin square A is nothing but what? 1. That is nothing but identity. Okay. So we will collect these two terms. So sin square A plus cos square A plus 1 plus 2 sin A as it is upon 1 plus sin A into cos A as it is, right? Now 1 plus sin square A plus cos square A is nothing but what? 1. That is nothing but identity. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin A upon first bracket here is 1 plus sin A as it is into cos A as it is. Now this 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 sin A. So if we take 2 as a common, then in bracket 1 plus sin A upon next one is 1 plus sin A into cos A. 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A cancel. So it will become 2 into 1 upon cos A, and 1 upon cos A we know that is it but sec A. So 2 sec A, and that is nothing but our required RHS. So at last what we can write, LHS is equals to RHS, and therefore original statement, that is cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A, that is equal to 2 sec A. Okay, hence proved. So see दो fractions है. We have solved this fraction cos A into cos A and 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A cross multiplication. So cos square A into 1 plus sin A whole square, then A plus B whole square identity. So cos square A plus 1 plus 2 sin A plus sin square A upon 1 plus sin A into cos A as it is. Now again cos square A plus sin square A. Okay, that is nothing but 1. Then 1 plus 2 sin A as it is. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A gets cancelled. 2 into 1 upon cos A means 2 sec A. That is nothing but what? RH. Simple question. Now see third question. Tan theta upon 1 plus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 plus tan theta, that is nothing but 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. Okay. See, LHS tan theta upon 1 plus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 plus tan theta. Now let's convert this LHS into sin and cos. Why sin and cos? Because in RHS there are two trigonometric functions, sec theta and cosec theta. Two trigonometric functions, sec theta and cosec theta. Now these sec theta and cosec theta two functions are the reciprocals of sin and cos. Okay. So it will be more easy if we consider or if we convert this LHS into sin and cos. Okay. Now tan theta we can write it as sin theta upon cos theta upon 1 plus cot theta is nothing but cos theta upon sin theta plus cot theta is nothing but cos theta upon sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta, that is equal to sin theta upon cos theta upon, there are again two fractions, 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta, Okay, so here answer will be sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta, then plus cos theta upon sin theta as it is numerator, upon in denominator again cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta. Okay. Now this is nothing but a division of two fractions. First one is sin theta upon cos theta and another one is sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta, right? So if we have to solve this fraction, we will convert the division sign into multiplication and the reciprocal of denominator. That is nothing but sin theta upon sin theta plus cos theta, plus this is nothing but cos theta upon sin theta multiply by this will be cos theta upon cos theta plus sin theta. Okay, is equal to, I think there is one correction in question. It is 1 minus cot theta. So see, sin theta into sin theta is nothing but sin square theta upon cos theta in bracket sin theta minus cos theta, plus it is nothing but cos square theta upon sin theta into second bracket cos theta minus sin theta. Now in first ratio, bracket is nothing but sin theta minus cos theta. Bracket is cos theta minus sin theta. So let express this term in the form of this term, means cos theta minus sin theta can be written as sin theta minus cos theta with minus sign, because subtraction is not commutative. Okay, so subtraction is not commutative, that's why if we have to write sin theta minus cos theta, then we have to apply minus sign. Okay, this minus plus into minus is nothing but minus, and then let's take one step here, that is LCM, because if we have to keep common denominator, then this sin theta minus cos theta is a common term. Cos theta is there, sin theta is there, right? Sin theta minus cos theta common term, sin theta is there, cos theta is there. See, if we multiply this ratio by sin theta, multiply this ratio by sin theta, then multiply and divide by sin theta. Okay, and here we will multiply and divide by cos theta, multiply and divide by cos theta. Then you can observe that here the denominator is now same, sin theta cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. So complete denominator is sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta, and the numerator will be sin square theta into sin theta is nothing but sin cube theta, plus minus minus cos square theta into cos theta is nothing but cos cube theta. This is very important step. LCM of trigonometric functions. Okay. Now next one. Next one is that is equals to, now this sin cube theta minus cos cube theta in the form of a cube minus b cube. So what will be the identity for a cube minus b cube? A cube minus b cube is nothing but first bracket a minus b. So sin theta minus cos theta into a square plus ab plus b square. So a square is nothing but sin square theta plus sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta upon into cos theta, sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. So numerator a cube minus b cube, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, right? Then this sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta cancel. In second bracket, the terms are sin square theta plus cos square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Then it is 1 plus sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta, that is equal to 1 upon sin theta into 1 upon cos theta plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. Just distribution of denominator in numerator terms. Okay, so 1 upon this complete denominator and sin theta cos theta, this is another term of numerator upon complete denominator. Okay, now 1 upon sin theta is nothing but what? Cosec theta into 1 upon cos theta is nothing but sec theta plus 1. So it is 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta, and that is nothing but what? RHS, and therefore we can say that LHS is equals to RHS. So it is very important problem for 4 marks. Okay, 3 से 4 बार पेपर में आ चुका है इसके पहले, repeated. ठीक है. See again, LHS. In LHS, conversion of trigonometric functions into sine and cos. Okay, so sine upon cos, cos upon sine, and cot is nothing but again cos upon sine, tan is nothing but sine upon cos. Then simplification of denominator here, sine theta minus cos theta upon sine theta. Again simplification of denominator, cos minus sine upon cos. Okay, then sine theta upon cos theta into reciprocal of this denominator, so sine theta upon sine theta minus cos theta upon sine theta into reciprocal of denominator, cos theta upon cos theta minus sine theta. Now it is sine theta into sine theta, sine square theta, cos theta into cos theta is nothing but cos square theta. Okay, then let's multiply and divide by sine theta here to just make the denominator same. Okay, so original denominator was cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta, and here sine theta into sine theta minus cos theta. So there was one common term, that is sine theta minus cos theta, and another terms are sine theta cos theta. So LCM is sine theta cos theta sine theta minus cos theta. Then if we compare this denominator with this, then sine theta is absent. So let's multiply and divide by sine theta. So it will be sine cube theta in numerator and it will be cos cube theta in denominator. Okay, so sine cube theta minus cos cube theta upon this. Okay, then again identity a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is nothing but a minus b first bracket, second a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, now a minus b, sine theta minus cos theta, sine theta minus cos theta cancel. Then sine square theta plus sine theta cos theta plus cos square theta as it is. Okay. Now you know that this sine square theta plus cos square theta is nothing but 1 according to identity. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is nothing but 1. So 1 plus sine theta cos theta, and then separation of this common denominator among the numerator terms. So 1 upon sine theta cos theta plus sine theta cos theta upon sine theta into cos theta, right? And then 1 upon sine cosec, 1 upon cos sec cancel. So answer will be 1. So it will be 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta, that is equal to RHS. Sine square A upon 1 minus cos A. So LHS is equals to 1 plus sec A upon sec A. That is equal to. Now the answer in the form of sine and cos. So let's convert these two terms, 1 plus sec A and sec A, in terms of sine and cos. But we know sec A is nothing but a reciprocal of cos. So this 1 plus sec A can be written as 1 plus 1 upon cos A completely divided by 1 upon cos A. Okay. Now cos A plus 1 upon cos A, simplification of numerator, upon 1 upon cos A. Right. Now the denominators are same, so cos A cancel. Answer will be 1 plus cos A. Now in denominator we want 1 minus cos A. So let's adjust 1 minus cos A. तो अगर denominator में हम 1 minus cos A adjust करते हैं, then we should multiply numerator also by 1 minus cos A. Okay. So again multiplication factor is nothing but 1 minus cos A. Now 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A plus B, A minus B. So it is nothing but A square minus B square. So 1 minus cos square A upon 1 minus cos A. Now 1 minus cos square A is nothing but what? Sin square A upon 1 minus cos A, and that is nothing but your RHS. Okay. Now A plus B, A minus B is nothing but 1 minus cos A. Now according to identity यहाँ पे रीजन लिखना पड़ेगा that sin square plus cos square theta that is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta that is equal to 1. Okay, so sin square A upon 1 minus cos A. Okay, and that is nothing but your final RHS. Okay, so here see 1 plus sec A upon sec A. Now sec A in terms of cos A is nothing but 1 upon cos A. Now here is nothing but a simplification of numerator. Okay, cos A plus 1 upon cos A upon 1 upon cos A. Okay, now again the denominator are same. Okay, so cos A cancel. So answer will be 1 plus cos A. Now this is nothing but your adjustment according to the requirement. Requirement is what? In RHS we want 1 minus cos A in denominator. So if we write 1 minus cos A in denominator, then we have to multiply by 1 minus cos A in numerator also. ठीक है, किसी भी टर्म का मैथमेटिकल टर्म का मीनिंग चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. तो अगर हम कोई एक एक्स्ट्रा फैक्टर ऐड करते हैं तो डेट शुड बी कैंसल्ड आल्सो. ओके, so 1 minus cos A into 1 minus cos A. Okay, now 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A is nothing but 1 minus cos square A, and that is nothing but identity. Okay, so 1 minus cos square A is nothing but sin square A, and denominator as it is, that is nothing but 1 minus cos A, and that is your required RHS. LHS cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1. Okay, see carefully. In RHS, terms are cosec and cot. Okay, now cosec is nothing but 1 upon sin, and cot is nothing but cos upon sin. Now the denominators are same, that is nothing but sine function. Okay, so to convert this cos and sine in terms of cosec and cot, we should divide numerator and denominator by sine function. Okay, means sine of angle A. Okay, so we will write here that divide numerator and denominator by sine A. Okay, so equal to, first will be cos A upon sine A minus sin A upon sine A plus 1 upon sine A upon cos A upon sine A plus sin A upon sine A minus 1 upon sine A, right, is equals to cos upon sine is nothing but cot, so it is cot A minus 1 plus it is nothing but cosec A upon, again it is nothing but cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Okay, now if you observe numerator, then it is nothing but cot A plus cosec A, and that is nothing but our answer, cosec A plus cot A or cot A plus cosec A. Okay, so we will combine these two terms. Okay, so our answer will be cosec A plus cot A. Okay, then minus 1 upon cot A plus 1 minus cosec A as it is. Okay, now cosec A plus cot A is our answer, so we have to eliminate this 1 as well as this denominator. Okay, so to eliminate this 1 and denominator, we will replace this 1 in terms of cosec and cot, because the complete fraction in terms of cosec and cot. Now to replace this 1, we know one identity, that is nothing but third identity, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. So this 1 will be replaced by cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So answer is nothing but cosec A plus cot A minus cosec square A minus cot square A upon cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Denominator as it is, no change in the denominator. Okay, only this 1 is replaced by cosec square A minus cot square A. Only this 1 is replaced by cosec square A minus cot square A. Now, if you observe this cosec square A minus cot square A, then it is of the form A square minus B square. So, identity will be what? A minus B, A plus B. So, our next step will be first bracket cosec A plus cot A as it is minus two brackets will be there. First bracket will be what? Cosec A plus cot A, and second bracket will be cosec A minus cot A, completely divided by this cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Okay. Now, again observe this numerator. This cosec A plus cot A and cosec A plus cot A is common term in two terms of denominator, numerator. Okay. So, if we take common cosec A plus cot A, okay, now in bracket it will be, ये complete common निकाल दिया तो यहाँ पे बचेगा 1, then it is minus this bracket is outside the main bracket, then remaining term is nothing but what? Cosec A minus cot A. Okay, upon cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Okay, so that is equal to cosec A plus cot A. Okay, into, let's open this bracket, so 1 minus cosec A, then minus minus what? Plus, and then next term is what? Cot A upon denominator is nothing but cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now observe these two terms. One is positive, cosec A is negative, and cot A is positive. Means 1 minus cosec A plus cot A is nothing but cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Cosec A. So both the brackets are same. So brackets gets cancelled. Now the answer will be cosec A plus cot A. And that is nothing but your RHS. And therefore we can write LHS is equals to RHS and then last statement. LHS equal to रूट ऑफ 1 प्लस साइन ए अपॉन 1 माइनस साइन, ठीक है। जब भी हम नॉर्मल अल्जेब्रिक कैलकुलेशन परफॉर्म करते हैं, देन वी परफॉर्म रैशनलाइजेशन व्हेन देयर इज दिस रेडिकल साइन। ओके, जब भी ये स्क्वायर रूट का साइन आएगा वहां पे हम क्या करेंगे? रैशनलाइजेशन। ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू प्रूव sec a plus tan a against there is no denominator. Okay, so we will rationalize denominator in this radical sign. So 1 plus sine A, right, upon 1 minus sine A. So on rationalization, we will multiply it by 1 plus sine A upon 1 plus sine A, right? Or you can say that adjustment of 1 plus sine A in numerator and denominator. Okay, now 1 plus sine A into 1 plus sine A is nothing but what? 1 plus sine A whole square upon a minus b, a plus b, so 1 minus sine square. Now again square root of 1 plus sine a whole square upon 1 minus sine square is nothing but what? Cos square a. Okay, now both the terms are in square format, so square and square root gets cancelled, so we get 1 plus sine a upon cos a. Okay, so let's separate this cos a in numerator. So we will get 1 upon cos a plus sine a upon cos a. 1 upon cos a plus sine a upon cos a. Now 1 upon cos a is nothing but what? Sec a, and sine a upon cos a is nothing but tan a, and that is nothing but your RHS. Answer what? Sec a plus tan a. Yes, correct. 1 upon cos A is nothing but sec A, sin A upon cos A is nothing but tan. So very simple example it was, because 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin A. So here adjustment of 1 plus sin in numerator and denominator in this radical sign, and then square root of 1 plus sin A whole square, multiplication of same term. Okay, and in denominator a minus b, a plus b multiplication is there. So 1 a square minus b square. So 1 minus sin square is nothing but cos square a, and 1 plus sin a whole square. Square of both numerator and denominator gets cancelled with this square root side. So we will get 1 plus sin a upon cos a. Distribution of this cos a in numerator means 1 upon cos a, sin a upon cos a. So 1 upon cos a plus sin a upon cos a, sec a plus tan a, that is nothing but your RHS.